Hello, Geo Space. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm here with the final agenda of the semester. Okay, it is wrap up time. We are in our final week before winter break. And so the agenda is going to be pretty straightforward. Two things. You're turning in sketch notes and summaries, 3 parts of Interstellar, and you are checking in with me to go over your grade before the winter break, right? To go over your semester grade. So let's look briefly here. Same learning target, right? We're understanding what's going on. We're going to try our best to understand the end of Interstellar this week. A reminder that directions on how to properly do sketch notes and summaries for each section are in the previous agenda video. So if you missed that, that is there on that post. When you are done and you have all of your sections, you can add it if it's easier. However, I can get it, it works, but I've given you a copy of this document called the Turn-in Sketch Notes and Summaries for Interstellar. Attach part 1, part 2, and part 3 to it, right? Remember, you need sketch notes and summaries for each section, okay? That is that. And then the second day this week, I will be meeting individually with everyone to go over grades. Okay, and a reminder that there are still quite a few missing assignments lingering out there, which it is not too late to do. But I will be checking in with everyone, creating day 2 as a work day to wrap up, finalize your grade, make sure that you're in a good position to pass the class and get ready for next semester. Okay, again, Geospace is a year course, and so we will meet back and jump further into space exploration after the break. But before that happens, you need to have your semester grade locked in place because we start all over next semester. Okay, and so individual meetings will occur with me during day 2, and that is critical to ensuring that your grade is where you want it to be. And that is it. Short agenda video. We're wrapping up Interstellar. You need to somehow get me the sketch notes and summaries you've done, either on this document or an email or attached to this post, and then I'll go over your grades. That's it. Reach out as always with questions, right? Especially in regards to missing work. Email or Teams, whatever is easiest for you. I check them both. But yeah, here we go. Snow for the last week.